Hey guys, we're here for another unboxing. This is something... Let's just open it, and I'll get more and more giddy every moment. Ta-da! Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god. Ah. So these were packed pretty well. Ah. Ah. God! Oh my god! Those are 40mm Mikuni Solex carburetors. And not only that, these are the carburetors that go with that TRD manifold. So... see if I'll be able to fit all this on camera, shall we? Let's see if I'll actually be able to put these on. Okay, so I discovered my problem. This has a center pole linkage on it, and this thing, I kind of figured that this manifold wasn't designed for center pole. Let's at least put them on, and we'll figure out linkage later. Arg! Okay. Oh. Okay. This is exactly the way I want it. The way I want the fuel run. It's gonna go from. It's gonna go from the fuel pump here, go around, and go right into these. So. This is where they're going to stay. I got to figure out linkage because I can't use a center pole. But what I can use is I'd still have the crossbar at the top. Here. I can order parts via a company called OER and go from there. So yeah, that's we're making our way. It's exciting, isn't it? I get to go more in depth with these carburetors soon. This is A for Hachi signing off.